In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a mobile information bar on your Squarespace website. This feature can really enhance the user experience by making important details easily accessible on mobile devices. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. This powerful platform offers a variety of website building tools that can help you create a professional online presence. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or just someone looking to showcase your work, Squarespace's user-friendly interface caters to everyone. If you haven't done so already, open your web browser and type in Squarespace's URL to get started. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, locate the search bar. It's typically at the top of the page, allowing you to quickly find what you're looking for without having to sift through multiple menus. If you can't see the search bar right away, it might be a good idea to make sure your browser window is maximized. Type Mobile Information Bar into the search field and press Enter. You should see a list of relevant options appear almost immediately. The next step is setting up your mobile information bar. This feature is particularly useful as it provides quick access to key information like contact details, opening hours, or special offers, ensuring that mobile visitors can find what they need swiftly. With more people using their phones to browse the web, having this functionality can make all the difference in maintaining strong engagement with your audience. Clicking on the relevant search result will guide you through the specific settings for your mobile information bar. Pay attention to customization options, as these can vary depending on your chosen template and what version of Squarespace you're using. Typically, you'll be able to input the text you want displayed, choose which links to highlight, and modify the design to fit your brand's aesthetic. Remember that consistency across your website in terms of design keeps everything looking professional and intentional. One thing to consider is what information you find most important for your visitors. Common elements typically include a phone number, address, or email link. Make sure the mobile information bar complements your site's overall design while still remaining functional, as mobile users appreciate intuitive and straightforward navigation. And just like that, you're done. Once you've configured the settings to your liking, preview the changes on a mobile device to ensure everything looks and functions as expected, adjusting if necessary. It's always a good idea to get a second opinion or even test the site on different mobile devices or browsers to ensure your site visitors have a seamless experience. By following these steps, you'll have effectively set up a mobile information bar on your Squarespace site, enhancing accessibility and ensuring your visitors can easily find the information they require. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it aids you in maximizing your website's mobile presence. Thank you for watching.